Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I did my hair, like how I did the crochet way. Okay, how I did the crochet, the process, detail to details, and I'm going to also did it in a slow motion so that you can get to understand, and plus the products that I used. So you're going to see, I know it has been a while since I did my hair. I did a video on how I do my hair. So anyway guys, so stay tuned, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share guys. And before I forget, thank you so much for the 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and for your love. Anyway guys, see ya. So I went on and I did my cornrows from the salon, and I'm going to be using these two packs, these darling two packs, super Spanish bulk. It's in number 1900. Yeah, I know, like hopefully the two packs will be enough. So they are sectioned into 4 pieces, and I'm going to be using this latch hook to crochet it. So I'm going to be starting with the back side, and since I want like the back side to be more longer than the front side, like to be in layers, so the first, let me like show you, just demonstrate. I'm going to like level it up like this. One side will be short and the other one will be quite long, so that when I crochet it, this will be the longer side. And yeah, so that's how I'll do at the back. And at the middle, I think I'll just do like this. At the middle, I'll level it, like I'm going to just make it in an equal way. Yeah, that will do, the middle part and the front part. So I'm just going to do it as slow as possible so that you can get to understand the procedure on how I'm doing it. So guys, I'm done. What I want to do next is just lay those baby hairs first, then I can continue with the rest. And I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel, this one, and I'm going to be using this toothbrush to lay them. So I'm going to take this piece of fabric and tie it around this area so that it can dry up quickly. And now I'm going to be using this mousse from olive oil. This is the final look, and this is how it came out, and I hope you like it. If you like it, kindly don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And before I forget to like give you like a plus, so this olive oil mousse, it helps to like defrizz your hair. If your hair is more frizzy, like I see this one, it's more frizzy. As you can see, it will help retain the curls. You can also use it on your wigs. It's advisable. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.